Hello, I'm Von Lucian from Corteva Agri-Science. Today I'm going to be talking about the use of Garlond RTU herbicide. A few things we need to know. We're going to use a backpack sprayer, and we're going to use a 1502 or a 1503 nozzle. We're going to use low pressure, and we're going to go around the cambium and apply to the root collar as well. What this will do is stop the tree from suckering. It can be done anytime after the tree is cut, up till a couple months. If we're leaving it for longer than 6 months, just simply cut the tree down a little bit lower to expose some fresh cambium. So now we'll cover the single-sided basal bark application. So what we want to do is we want to apply a herbicide, a band of herbicide, Garland RTU, approximately 50 centimeters from the ground across a tree. The single-sided method works really well for trees under 1.5 inches in diameter. Once we get over a tree diameters of 1.5 inches, you may have to do a double-sided, and I'll show you in a second. So all you do in this particular instance, we're just going to take a couple stems at a time. This is kind of like a willow as well. So with a willow or a bunch of small stems like this, we can simply just bend it over and just go across. Okay, what's going to happen is the formulation of Garland RTU, it's going to wrap around the stem and it will control the tree. On a larger stem, approximately 1 inch in diameter, all we're going to do is just make a simple line and move on. We can do a number of them at a time. And what that again is going to do is going to wrap around the tree, and you can check in about 5 minutes to see if the wrap is there. But on this tree, as you can see, it's already done. When we go to larger stems, approximately 2 inches in diameter, what we want to do is a double-sided application. So once here, once on the back, and it'll wrap around the tree, and you can check it, and that tree will be controlled. Some of the advantages of Garland RTU is it's ready to use formulation. It's safe to grass when used according to label. It can be used in any months through the winter or summer, as long as the bark is not wet. If you have any questions on treatment with Garland RTU, please feel free to contact us through our IVM Experts website or through www.corteva.ca, and a rep will be more than glad to help you.